Hi, this is Chanchal. Today I will show you how to download the VLC media player. For it, firstly open your favorite browser. Okay, and here we are writing VLC media player free download. Now click on the very first option, that is the videolang.org, and here is the link. Click here. After clicking on that link, your download has started. Here it is. After download completed, click on the Show in folder and see here. Double click on here. It will ask you some permission, so click on yes. Then choose your language, and our installation is going to start by clicking on next option. So click on next, again next, and here is some options. You can change it according to yourself, like there is a start menu shortcut, desktop shortcut, and then click on next, and then click on this install option. After clicking on install option, your installation is started. It takes some time. And here our installation is completed. So click on the finish, and you can see here your icon is here, and this is our VLC media player. I would like to share you one more thing, that click on the view, and here is VL subtitle, and one pop-up window is open. Write down here the name of any movie or anything which you want to get the subtitle, and here is the language, in which language you want that subtitle. I will give you one example, like I'm writing here the gravity, and our language is selected as English, and here I'm going to search by name, and I will get all the subtitles of option here. According to your extension of the movie, choose it. Hope today's video helped you. Thanks for watching.